A beach chair is a great thing for any trip to the beach. It'll keep sand out of your shorts and save you some backache. That said, if you're going to buy a chair for the beach, you really want to make sure you have the best one. At least one that won't break after first use and maybe has some cool features too. With a lot of choices, picking the right one that fits your needs can be a tough process. And there is nothing worse than completely wasting your investment and sitting on a broken chair. That's why after fully reviewing this guide, you will be able to escape common mistakes people do and find yourself sitting on an incredible beach chair. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 beach chairs on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lawn Chair USA Aluminum Web Chair. Sometimes, keeping it simple is the best way to go. Like umbrellas and bubble wrap, the lawn chair is part of a special group of inventions that barely need any updating. Lawn Chair USA understands this, and as such, have designed their flagship product, the aluminum webbed lawn chair, to be just that, a highly durable, straightforward lawn chair that not only does its job, but does its job well. Easily foldable, lightweight, and 100% American-made, the aluminum webbed lawn chair is more than just an ornamental throwback to the 50s and 60s. In fact, it might even be good enough for your next camping trip, or for those picnics on particularly rugged terrain. That said, it is by no means the perfect lawn chair, and there are definitely a few things we think Lawn Chair USA can improve on. Read our full review for a more detailed look at this iconic lawn chair. Number 2. Cascade Mountain Tech Camping Chair. If you're looking for an easy-to-carry camp chair that would also be beach and festival friendly, this chair is for you. While it does have some drawbacks that might be a non-negotiable for some, it's a great all-around chair that does what it says it will without any compromises. Cascade Mountain Tech's low-profile camp chair is a foldable seat that won't break the bank. Its name speaks for itself. The chair is technical enough to accommodate you in rougher conditions, all while being portable and easy to assemble and disassemble. The 4K Plus reviews prove that CMT's chair is worth looking deeper into for the beach and other outdoor scenarios. Although it's mainly designed for people with a more petite frame, the buyers almost unanimously agree that it's one of the sturdiest foldable chairs on the market. Curious to learn more about the low-profile camp chair? Scroll down and see the specs and features, reasons to buy and not to buy, and our take on the chair. Number 3. Max Sports Beach Day Foldable Chaise Lounge Chair. A beach chair usually has one purpose: to provide a comfy spot to sit or recline on at the beach. Now imagine a chair that also transforms into a wagon that can carry all of your stuff across the beach before you kick back and relax. Wouldn't that be great? Fortunately, that beach chair does exist. It's the Max Sports Foldable Chair with Wagon, and we do think it's pretty great. It's a multifunctional chair that not only provides a comfortable lounging experience with a padded headrest and 4 reclining positions, but also comes with heavy-duty wheels made for multiple terrains, handles for comfortable pulling, and a large mesh basket to store all of your beach belongings. Doubling as a chair and a utility cart, you'll save yourself some money and space by purchasing this product. But does it really perform just as well as a regular beach chair and a regular wagon do? We read multiple user reviews as well as tested the product ourselves to find out. Number 4. Ostrich Deluxe Chair. The Ostrich Deluxe is a reclining beach chair with quite a few features. As a popular model for strand lounging, we tested it for comfort, quality and other things relevant for a better beach experience. Higher off the ground than average beach chairs. It folds flat down, so lying on your stomach is very comfortable. There's a cavity for your face if you want to lay face down. It has 5 reclining positions and a cup holder. And the opening at the headrest is great for lying on your stomach to get some sun on your back, things we don't like. The footrest is too short for 6 feet 5 inches plus people. Carrying it can be onerous. However, its overall quality seemed questionable at first. That was something we put to the test. This Ostrich beach chair is definitely not the best of the best for serial beach rats who need portability. But it offers a compelling lounge for comfort for most people. Here's a definitive guide to what you can expect from Ostrich Deluxe Chair. Number 5. Nice Sea Low Beach Camping Folding Chair. Grab one of the best beach chairs on the market. The folding chair is comfortable and is low to the ground. The lowness of the chair makes it very stable and sturdy. You will find the breathable mesh cooling and refreshing. The mesh will increase your comfortability and will ensure you can sit for long periods. The chair can handle a weight of 300 pounds. It is easy to set up just by pulling the frame into 2 different directions. Things we like: abrasion resistant fabric, compact and lightweight, easy to set up, 300 pound weight capacity, anti-sink feet, cup holder, includes an easy over the shoulder carrying bag. Things we don't like: may sink and cause discomfort after hours of use, subject to corrosion if not rinsed and dried, to be expected. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.